Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the find command. The find command is similar to the locate command. It helps you to search for the files in the directories, but the only difference is that with the help of find command, you can locate the files within the given directories, okay? Which you was not able to use using the locate command. Alright, first of all, I have to open up the terminal and now I have to open up the files. So now I just want to find out the specific file with the help of find, which is output file. Okay, so I'm gonna write the file, then I have to provide the path name. Now I have to write the name of the file, so it would be output.txt. all right, it will find out the file and return me the path of that file. And now I'm gonna tell you to find out the pattern. Okay, so for example, I just want to find out all the files which has txt extension, okay, text extension. All right, so what I need to do, I'm gonna write the find, this is it, and what I need to do, I'm gonna write the double quotation and I have to use the star dot txt. all right, there is an error. Okay, so it will simply return all the files which has the .txt in the end. Okay, and the star stand for, it can be anything. Okay, so right now the current directory is the home directory, so I just want to change it to the new directory. All right, okay, ls. Okay, so we have these files there. So if you just want to find out the files in the current directory, so what you need to do, you're gonna write the find and you have to write the dot, that's it. Then you're gonna write the name and then you have to write the name of the file whichever you want. Okay, or you can go for the formats as well. But if you just want to make your search case insensitive, what you need to do, you're gonna simply write the I here. Okay, it will make your search, your query case insensitive. So if I just write the moved file in the lowercase, it will still find out the file. You can see that it is still find out the file. I name simply converts your case sensitive search into the case insensitive search. All right, so this is how it works. And if you just want to find out the empty files, so what you need to do, I want to find out into my current directory, so I'm gonna write the empty here. It will return me the empty files or the directories. Okay, so my text file and the created file are the empties, so it will return me only these files. Okay, so this is how it works. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.